Okay, today we have some sway bar bushings that I'm gonna do. I already got the car jacked up and we're just gonna get in there and just replace it. So before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what it looks like. So these are protein. I don't know if these are good or not, but well, give it a try. These are polyurethane. Looks like polyurethane, and look, it has some grease. So I'm gonna go down there and remove the old one and then put the new one in. So here it is. Take these bolts out, one here, one over there, and then one on this side over here as well. Right here and right here. I've been getting some clunking every time I go over bumps. Hopefully this will fix it, because I've already fixed the outer tie rods. I replaced the sway links. I replaced the lower ball joint. I replaced the upper control arm with the ball joint. Yeah, I replaced almost everything in here except for the bushing and lower control arms. I don't know if these bushings in here are broken or not, but man, that does not look good here either. Okay, and I think these are 14, either 14 or 17. So yep, it's 14. Go ahead and break it loose. And break the other side loose too. It's just a short little screw, just like that. And take this off. Very easy. See that? Okay, so it goes like this. The new part goes like this. So take this off. And yeah, check that out. It's all broken. This piece is broken. See that? That's the old one. And here's the new one. So I'll go ahead and put some grease on this. Squeeze the grease in here and just be very generous about it. See that? I got it all in here. Now I just spread it out just like that. And then put it back in. Do it like this. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. And then I'll tighten that up and squeeze all of that grease into there. The good thing is this bushing came with this very nice sticky grease. And it would be a good idea for you to wear some gloves. And you can't see it off camera, but I'm doing this onto the other side as well. So this side over here is breaking from here, this point right here. So that's probably why I'm hearing all the clunking noises. I'll put the bracket in, push the sway bar up and get it started in here. And then this one, just needed to catch. Okay, that has been caught. I'll just bolt this in. Hopefully that will stop all the clunky noises.